So the second machine you use, Rick, this is the chest press?
Chest press, yes, and it's going to work the entire chest area. It's
Okay.
going to work the triceps, back of the arm. It's going to work the front of the shoulder and part of the neck.
Okay.
You'll notice as I lift this weight that my hands start outside, and you can see the handles actually move close together and they move in an upward motion.
Right.
On this particular machine, the MedX machine is designed that way so it really does work the entire chest area rather than just one band if you're going straight out and straight back. So by going in and up, I'm working all of the chest muscles. So again, I'm going to lift very slowly, and I'm going to breathe nice and calmly. And I'm going to have a slight bend in my arm. I don't lock my arm out. And when I get out to the outward position, I just turn around nice and slow.
Maybe 5 seconds out, 5 seconds in.
Good. And then I just come back till it barely touches and then start again.
And the weight should be heavy enough so you can only do, say, 10 reps.
You know, you want to start out doing about 8.
8 reps.
8 reps. And then the next week you would do the same weight, try and get 9 or 10 reps.
Also, you might increase the reps.
So, and when you get to 12 reps, you're going to add more weight.
I see. So you initially maybe have a weight that allows for
About 8 reps.
about 8 reps. Do that for, then the next week you might do another rep.
Do it. You might try and get. You know, you'll add strength each week because as you're recovering from the workout, as you're building more strength, your body is going to actually add more muscle fiber. So the next week you'll be able to do a little bit more than you did the previous week. And when you get up to 12 repetitions, you'll be able to add more weight.
I see.
And then you go back down to 8 reps, and you go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then you add more weight.
So that's a very handy guideline, yeah.
So each week we're either going to add more time or we're going to add more weight to challenge the body to go beyond what it was doing before.
And this is the second exercise that Rick Berman at Studio 2020 Fitness uses for the slow motion exercise. It's called the chest press, and that's the second exercise he does when he's training people.